Hello guys, I'll be doing a hold on my bad. I'll be doing a quick small quick sell pack opening. I have 10 of them here and our goal is 25 grand and one pull, of course. Okay, let's get right into the pack opening. Alright, come on. 1,000. That's not so bad. The reason I'm not doing large quick sells is the gold trophies, it's gonna take like 20 minutes done if I bid on them. So I thought I'll bring you guys something different today. So 700 coins. I need that 25,000. That's not a lot of coins, but I'm just saying. Oh, there we go. There we go. 25,000. There we go. There we go. I'll get another one. 500. My space is low. Go back. 600. Can I get another 25,000, man? Like and subscribe to this video, please. And last one. I'm gonna do the no look tactic. So you guys gonna see if I do. And it's a 1,000. So we're gonna round them all up to the smallest to the biggest. So we came around 30,000 with our total. And like and subscribe to this video. See you next time.